Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Grandma Tony. If you want to be able to do your nails at home on your own, come in. You can come in. Say hi, son-in-law. Say hi. Son, say hi. Say hello. The people need to see your face. All right. Everybody crammed up in my room right now. Yeah, so everybody's here. Everybody's here. Everybody. Yeah, so I'm going to do a video with doing my nails because again I do my own nails. I haven't been to a nail salon in over 2 years, and yeah, I'm gonna just do a little video, and of course I'm going to speed it up because don't nobody got time to be sitting here watching me do my nails for like a good 45 minutes. I'm going to be doing fillings at this point because I already have tips on. Normally I do my nails a little bit longer, but lately I kind of just been wanting my nails to just grow into them. And so I start off short. And right now, one of my nails came off, so I can show you. This one is my actual nail, and it's almost the same size as you see. It's almost the same size as my tips. As you see, my tips, I need to get a filling. I need a filling. It's time for filling. So I will be doing a filling on my nails, and this is how it's gonna go. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, you guys. I'm done with my nails. I'm gonna show you a close-up of a close-up view of my nails. Okay, so that's my nails, okay? That's my nails. As you can see, right? This is the other hand. Okay. Right? You're gonna need a few things, okay? All right, first things first. Use dip, which is so-called SNS. So this is actually better for your nails. It does not leave your nails brittle or anything like that. You can soak it off. So I use this as my base to pretty much hold on to the powder. If you was to go and buy the dip kit, it'll have each step. So I got tired of doing so many steps, and after a while I learned that I could just get one thing, right? Which is this. It's a 2-in-1, right? And then I just put it on, dip the nail, blip blip, brush off the excess, and then there you go, right? You guys, it's all in a technique. It's all in a technique, I promise. Nail clipper, electric drill at that. Find you a good top coat, something that's like nice and shiny. I like a good top coat because it just makes your nails look nicer. Your nails be nice and shiny, right? And it just looks nice. You know, it just makes your nails look neat and nice. Also, I do use, some people, they use like the little nail glue. Me, I use crazy glue with my tips. The drop of crazy glue, like the salons do. They just don't have the labels on them. And yeah, and then the nails, $4.99 Amazon. Okay, I do label all of the sizes of my fingers. That way, when I break a nail or have to go back in there, I can just go in there, change the nail out, keep it moving. All right, get something that got a lot of tips in it, and make sure that it's tips. Okay, don't get nothing that's gonna cover the whole nail. You just want to get a tip. It's time for you to start doing your own nails, girl. Do your own nails. You need a board, which is a buffer. So this pretty much makes the nails smooth when you're ready to the end. I do use a UV light. Some people don't like using these. They claim cause cancer. Everything causes cancer. Like, you looking at the screen cause cancer, but you still looking. So yeah, I like the UV light. Okay, so there's a nail polish that's called Quick Dry, and you know what? I'm not even gonna pull it out, but there's a top coat that's called Quick Dry or whatever, and when you put it on, it's supposed to dry instantly, and it does. What I don't like about it is there's no shine to it. That's the gag. There's no shine to it. So if you can get your hand on some good shiny coat, top coat, you in the money, because that right there is key. That's your finish touch. Your finish matters about your shine. Here's my nails. Okay. As you see. Did them myself. Sometimes I do them long. Sometimes I do them short. It just depends on my mood, you know. But lately I've kind of just been doing short, you know, like how I said in the beginning. Get your little cuticle oil or something like that. To be honest, I kind of feel like cuticle oil is like, I think it's like olive oil or canola oil or something like that. It's just given that. If you use that, it'll feel the same way. Okay. You can use baby oil too if you want to. Me, I'll use a little bit of my coconut oil, the one that I use for my hair. I use a little bit of this on my cuticles, and my cuticles be perfectly fine. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this video. Like, subscribe, share. If you like it, like. If you don't like it, like. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, still subscribe. Ciao. Come on.